the Leetcode problem Fizz buzz. So this problem is kind of a filter question, and it's usually asked in interview phase when big tech companies come to colleges to recruit candidates. So this question is asked for candidates who are standing in the queue where they ask them to solve a very basic question, and this is used to filter out candidates who have, I think, no knowledge of problem solving or coding. So here's a problem where you're given an integer n and you have to return a string array. And a few conditions they have added is that if the number is divisible by 3 and 5, you add fizz buzz to the list. If it's divisible only by 3, then fizz. If it's divisible only by 5, then buzz. Else we add the string itself. So here's a question where if n is equal to 3, we add 1, 2 and replace 3 with the fizz. Similarly, if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we replace 3 and 5 with fizz and buzz. And if it's 15, since it's divisible by both 3 and 5, we replace it with fizz buzz. So it's a very easy question to solve. So yeah, let's get started. So first let's create an array list to store the result. So now we're going to create an array to just traverse down the list. So let's add the 3 conditions. So first condition is it is divisible by both 3 and 5. So if it's I modulo 3, so we add the fizz buzz to the result. So else if it's divisible only by 3, else if it's divisible only by 5, we add another string. Else we add the string itself. So since we are currently storing it as or at least we're traversing down the list as an integer, we'll just convert it into a string by appending a string to it. So and then we return the result. Oh, I can see a window. So yeah, the time complexity will be O of n, where n is the integer specified since we are just traversing down a list of size n. And same thing, the memory complexity will also be O of n because we're just creating an integer, we're creating a list of size equal to n.